Hi, my name is Jason Manguba, and we are here at the E4 Experience in Dallas. And today in our booth, we are presenting our newest E-line display. This is our 65-inch BDL4052E. This is made for education, really good in the K-12 market. It is our interactive panel display, so as you see, we do have a very great touch response on here. It's IR capacity. You could also erase with your hand over here. The biggest feature about this is our Interact software. So if I were to go back to the home button and click on present, teachers are regularly used to what they're using, which is laptops, right? We're not a subscription. We don't shove software down schools. Everything's very simplistic. So with our simplicity, with Interact software, teachers can now connect wirelessly from their laptop and share their screens. So essentially now the teacher has her curriculum on her laptop, and she can now present right at the screen wirelessly connected. As you can see that the laptop is not physically connected, and go through her lesson plan. And if there happens to be a very important part of the lesson plan, you can annotate on the device, and the teacher could circle something and say, this is something that you need to remember. If they want to save that, the teacher could hit save, a QR code will pop up, and they could actually receive that JPEG image as a file. Or you could save it to a local drive or send it to email or save it to a USB flash drive. So there's a lot of great features on here on our 65-inch BDL4052E. It's our education version. For more information, go to ppds.com.